Hello, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to make tuna tartare. It's really spicy, but it's just basically raw tuna. It's a dip I make. This is a really fancy dish that I used to get as an appetizer at the Peabody Hotel in Orlando when my wife and I would go there for our anniversary. Hyatt bought out the Peabody, so it's really no longer. I like to make this for New Year's Eve. It makes for really good finger food. Today I'm going to serve it with egg rolls from a local Chinese restaurant. So let's get started. This is what sushi grade tuna looks like. It comes frozen. You're not going to find it fresh. That's wrong. You can keep it frozen for a while because it's all cryo packed. This is ahi tuna. Alright. I've got a little bit of cilantro here that I chopped up for starters. Now I'm going to mix in a little wasabi. The wasabi comes in a little squeeze jar, a little tube, and you can use like half a tablespoon, which would be probably about that much. Basically, start off light. I like it hot. You can start off light. You can always stir a little bit more in the end. The last thing we're going to incorporate into it is the tuna, so we don't mush it all up. But basically, you can always just add a little bit less. So then I've got a little chopped red onion. I like onion. I think you need the onion to kind of cut the raw fish taste. That doesn't taste like raw fish, but it is. I have cloves of garlic. Got the juice of one lime. You probably won't need all of this. This was actually a really big lime. So I'm going to put about half in. We'll know when or 3/4. We'll know when we're done how much we really need. Need about a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. And I'm going to put about a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And the reason I use some olive oil is because for flavor you use sesame oil, but I wouldn't want to use just all sesame oil. It tends to be a little strong. So I cut about half and half, so then I'm going to put about a tablespoon of the sesame oil in there. I'm just going to mix it up here a little bit. Just watch out to make sure you get the wasabi mixed in. Don't want any surprises. And I can tell already I didn't put a whole lot in, so this isn't going to be real hot. So this is good for the normal user. Okay. Everything should have a little sheen to it because that's from the oil, and you really need that to coat the tuna. Now I'm going to cut the tuna. I have my tuna here. I've already cut most of it just to save some time. But I have a couple slices here. Basically, first I cut it lengthwise. Fingers off. And then I'm going to cut it crosswise, so I have small little squares. As you can see, I'm using a separate cutting board, so I'm not cross-contaminating anything. If you find any like white strings in it, just cut around it. This happened to be a really good piece, but once in a while you just get some, funny little things, and you don't really want to eat that. see how beautiful and bright red this tuna is. So it is the main attraction. I don't want to drown it out with a lot of other flavors. I can smell the soy sauce and the sesame oil, so that's good. I'm not smelling the wasabi, so I didn't kill it. Basically that's it. So now we have a great little appetizer. You know, if you go to a fancy restaurant, they make a little mountain out of it. You know, they press it into a bowl and plop it out. I just like serving in a bowl, like I said. It's great. Just dip in some corn chips. Why not? This is really kind of a fun thing to do. You know, if you like sushi, ahi tuna, it's great. This would pair very well with the German Gewürztraminer. I actually said it right this time. So I want you to enjoy this. Like I said, I'm going to have this tonight with some egg rolls from a Chinese restaurant. And please like, share, comment, and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.